sponsored by Greenway of the Shoals. A new way, the right way. greenwayoftheshoals.com.
Welcome back on this Saturday morning. This was video from Athens on Thursday, a sunny and warm day in the Tennessee Valley, and it seemed like a really great day for some pickleball.
Hey, you know, it was really nice, and why not take advantage of the nice weather? And in fact, this weekend's going to be pretty nice too. Slightly cooler. We'll be in the 60s as we go through Saturday, today, and then again on Sunday. But some sunshine is on the way. I know we're starting off on the cloudy side. Here's the satellite and radar right now. Some of those clouds already starting to push out, especially over northwest Alabama, where there's going to be a little more sunshine starting off this morning, but then the rest of us have to deal with the cloudy conditions. Here's Minor Hill right now. You can see the clouds in place, and that's going to stick around just for a couple more hours now, and then they're going to start to clear on out. Here's North Madison County overlooking New Market. Those clouds really blanketing the sky this morning in North Madison County. New Hope, you've also got cloud cover across your skies this morning. That will be clearing out as we head later into the day. Here's your tailgate forecast for today. If you're going to be doing some tailgating today around 9 o'clock, seeing some of that cloud cover start thinning out. Temperatures climbing into the mid 50s, low 60s by later this afternoon. A lot more sunshine on the way. Those winds still out of the north at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. And then this evening, clear conditions and temperatures will start to drop quickly back into the 50s, then into the 40s, and eventually into the upper 30s overnight tonight into Sunday. How about the Chattanooga at Alabama game today at 11 at Bryant-Denny Stadium? Kickoff temperatures right around the upper 60s. We'll stay in the upper 60s, get near 70 later this afternoon for that game. Looking pretty good. How about New Mexico State at Auburn at 3 o'clock at Jordan-Hare Stadium? Down in Auburn, 68 degrees by kickoff, dropping to 61 by halftime, and then 60 by that drive home. Looking pretty good for that game as well. And how about the UNA at Florida State game? You can catch this one right on North Alabama's CW at 5:30 this evening, when kickoff temperatures are right around 71 degrees, dropping into the 60s as we head through that game. And by the time the game wraps up, clear conditions, temperatures in the low 60s, looking pretty good for that game. How about Walking Galaxy of Lights tonight? Here's what to expect. Clear conditions and temperatures will drop pretty quickly once the sun goes down into the lower 50s as we head towards 7 o'clock, then into the upper 40s by 8 o'clock tonight. It is going to turn rather chilly pretty quickly. How about the Thanksgiving travel forecast for us coming up on Tuesday? Maybe you're doing some traveling on Tuesday. If you are, keep in mind that a lot of the southeast is going to be dealing with thunderstorms across the area as a surface low moves across the southeast United States, bringing a warm front to Alabama. There could even be some strong storms possible here in the Tennessee Valley as we go through Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, the big travel day, things look to calm down for much of the eastern half of the United States. Cold front swinging through the Tennessee Valley, partly cloudy conditions to turning mostly sunny as we go through the afternoon. Sand Mountain over the next 7 days. Here's what to expect. Yep, here come those showers and thunderstorms. Hey, it's much needed rainfall for us here in the Tennessee Valley on Tuesday. It's just going to come with some impacts to anybody that may be traveling on Tuesday. Temperatures in the 60s, morning lows in the 50s and 40s, then dropping into the 30s to start off Thanksgiving morning. Thanksgiving on the cool side, 50s for daytime highs, 57 on Black Friday. The Shoals, as we head through the next 7 days, you will also have showers and thunderstorms for the first part of the week. Some of those could be strong. We'll be watching that closely on Tuesday. Temperatures in the 60s for daytime highs. Morning lows after Tuesday will start off in the 30s. It is going to be cool for us as we head into the upcoming holiday. The Huntsville metro area, get ready for some showers and thunderstorms, especially on Tuesday, and then maybe a few showers lingering into early Wednesday morning, but I think we'll turn partly cloudy to mostly sunny as we head into the afternoon. And looking really good for Thanksgiving, by the way. Temperatures on the cooler side in the 50s.